Somebody made popcorn last night at 1 in the morning, and then they burnt it, and then the fire alarm went off. So today I'm going to help you out. So the first step in making good popcorn is to take the popcorn out of this little plastic bag here. And this is great value because I'm in college. And then you want to unfold this, and then you want to read the instructions here. Set time for 1 minute and 30 seconds to 2 minutes 30 seconds on high. When popping slows to 1 to 2 seconds between pops, stop the microwave.